Hi, I'm Nicole and I am part of the education team at Caryl Baker Visage, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect pout. The first step in achieving the perfect pout is to start with soft, kissable, hydrated lips. So I'll be using our Caryl Baker Sugar Scrub. It's got natural sugar, it has peppermint oil and shea butter. I'm extracting a small amount from the jar and I'm going to use my clean finger to put right on my lips. I'm using a gentle back and forth motion and a circular motion to help stimulate blood flow to bring plumpness into my lips and also exfoliate any dead skin cells that may be on the surface of the skin. Just going to gently remove. Now that my lips are hydrated and softened, I'm going to go one step further with our smoothing lip balm. This lip balm also has shea butter, but it's also formulated with aloe and grapeseed oil, which gives it a beautiful, nourishing shine. You can either use this directly on your lips or extract just a little bit onto your finger and apply directly. I love this smoothing lip balm with a little bit of lip liner before or after your makeup application. Now we're going to start with the corrective part of the lip application using our ultimate liner in Ravishing. This lip liner has jojoba seed oil, so it's a gentle glide over the lips. There's no tugging. It blends beautifully into the lip line, and you can fill in your entire lip for a long-lasting lip wear or wear a matte look. So I'm going to be starting the application on my vermilion border, which is the white border that surrounds your lips. It's a slightly flesh tone. To get a little bit of a pout and increase the size very naturally, I'm going to overline on that white border through my Cupid's bow and tight line it through the outer corner. So I'm going to start on the top. I'm using very gentle strokes. I can go back in and draw it a little bit darker or fuller after. To add a little bit of depth, I'm going to fill in just the front. For the bottom, I'm going to drop the bottom lip just a little bit by overlining the vermilion border on the bottom through the center and then tight lining up to the corner. If you're worried about having a harsh line and just want something soft and diffused, feel free to use our E30 Sigma brush to just soften the edges. I'll show you how. Something really special about our Caryl Baker Visage lipsticks, besides the fantastic formula, is our packaging on these lipsticks with a little tiny mirror for touch-ups on the go. I'm going to be using the shade Beach Babe, which is a paraben-free formula made in Canada, and it has shea butter, avocado oil, and it's mega nourishing and very hydrating. I'm going to be applying this to the center of my lips and then blending outwards. I'm using my E30 brush to blend. If you'd like a little bit more of an ombre look and you're using a lighter lipstick like I did, now you'll take your ultimate lip liner and reline and shade in the outer corners. I'll show you how. Our signature sheer shiny gloss has a beautiful vanilla scent and it's formulated with vitamin E to hydrate and protect your lips. I'm going to be applying this to the center of my lip and slightly over the top lip line to hide the overlining. The shade I'm using is Birthday Suit. And voila! This is my finished look. I've harmonized the lip color with my cheek color and the colors I chose for my eyes. If you'd like a custom color selection for you, visit one of our face experts at your local Caryl Baker Visage face spa.